Okay, let's go over how to draw Bluey, and he's gonna be kind of doing this cool pointing pose. So let's get started, okay? I'm gonna start a line right here. By the way, this is for beginners, so follow along with me. We'll draw a straight line across over here. So let's draw a straight line, kind of for the top of Bluey's nose. Gonna draw a little curve here at the end, curve. And we're gonna pull back down here at a downward, slightly right angle, like so. Pulling in, like so. Smile. Let's do a little smile here. You can even draw his like line over here and then line down, like he's opening his mouth. Okie doke. Sweet. So where his eye ends over here is gonna be, I'm sorry, where his nostril or nose ends is gonna be the beginning of his eye. So it's gonna be like an egg shape. Curve like a U right there if you want. Curve right there. We draw his eyebrow over here. Looks like macaroni. And then we're going to go over here and draw the other eye hidden behind there. So over here. All right, let's go over here now. Line right there for Bluey's eyelid. Line over here for Bluey's eyelid. And then we're going to draw the dark portion of his eye. So over here, just like a dark portion of Bluey's eye. Over here as well. Okay. So for it to make sense, let's draw on his nose. Okay, so over here, going to curve down, downward like so. And we're going to give the nose a little bit more of a point right there. And then we're going to fill in his nose, except for like a highlight. If you want to leave a highlight, you can. There you go. All right. And then let's go over here for the other eyebrow. Curve over here like a macaroni. All right. Now, I'm going to go start over here, and I'm going to find the edge of his face, like down like so. Curve right there. And then, excuse me. Forgive me, I'm kind of filming this late at night. Forgive me. Gonna go over here. We're gonna keep going down. All the way down. Remember, Bluey has like the body of like an iPhone or something. Curve around the edge. Line across. Let's go over here now at the top. Line over here. Line over here. And then we're gonna curve right there, and we're gonna give him this pillow body or whatever he's got. This block, this marshmallow of a body. Right on. So far, so good. Okay, let's draw Bluey's legs first to make him grounded. So line out one side, line out over here. His leg is basically a tube. Don't forget, by the way, to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel when you do that immensely. Kind of sends the videos out there more, and it's just general support for the channel. I do appreciate it if you please do that if you can right now. If not, I understand. Go over here, curve down for the foot, and then let's extend that shape downward and curve underneath to find that foot. On this side over here, his leg is a little different, out that way, but it's going to bend down. Over here on this side, curve, line down over here. It's kind of like, so he's bending one leg, he's putting his weight on this side, you know. There you go. Right on. And then we can draw a little line, little line, little line, little line for the paws. Let's draw his tail now. Line out. Still gets bigger as it goes kind of outward. And then we have like bump, bump, bump at the end of it. We'll do all the separating like patterns at the end, okay? But anyways, we're almost done as it is, so stay with me, okay? Believe it or not. Gonna go upward, back for one ear. And about this point, we go upward, back for this here. The exact same shape on the inside. Up, back, right there. Up, back. And let's find his arm, okay? So his arm's going to be over here. It's going to be a curve like so on this side. So out here. Pulling in. And over here for the shoulder, in. Line over here. And we have his paw on this side kind of making like so. He's pulling his hand back right there. His other hand is gonna come. Is gonna be here. Line out for his hand, and he is gonna be curved, pointing like so. See his hand, thumb, and you can see his finger wrapped in the back there. There you go. He is pointing. Yeah. If you like that pose, definitely let me know. Also, don't forget, if you want to learn how to draw something adorable and cute, perfect. I have the perfect thing for you. Don't you hate it when you like make a drawing, you're like, ugh, what's going on with these proportions? So basically, I created an ebook for you to follow along. It's a blueprint on drawing something cute. So you can draw like maybe your animal cute, or any cartoon character that you have, or an original character, or anything, or you just want to make cute things in general. I give you the proportions. The proportions of something cute almost always have to do with a larger head, smaller body. But in what way, right? That's why I gave you this free worksheet. It shows you everything. It's a guide. You can either have it on your phone to look at it, or it's literally made to print. It's 10 pages, like hardly any reading at all. I think 9 pages of it is all pictures. It's just measurements and how to do it and giving you ideas. So if you really want to improve your cute drawing, you want to be able to do it like pretty much from your mind, absolutely go pick that up. It's in the description right now. It's free temporarily, because eventually I'm going to start charging for it. But right now it's free because you found the video. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Let's jump in here. Now we're going to do all the patterns with Bluey. We're going to finish it off. So let's go over here. Line along the tail. Line right here on the foot area. Line over here. Okay. Oops. All right. Let's go over here on the patch in the back. Curve. Alrighty. Over here, it's going to be kind of like a cross, kind of like a piece of toast shape right there on the stomach. And then over here on this side, I'm going to draw a line right there, line right here. It's like a difference of color there. Line right there on the wrist. I try to make those lines a little bit thinner, and then line over here, and then line over here finally. There. Well, no, not finally. We got one more around the mouth area, because there is one right there along the mouth. I guess there's two, so we have to like follow this. This is such a weird line. And there you go. I want to thank you very much. You're an amazing person, and I want you to stick around and see what's up. I guess what you could do is line right here along the teeth. So, all right, I'll see you in the next video. Let's stay right now, and we're going to do another drawing lesson together, okay? So stay right now, and let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.